I'm Victoria Burcusel from Lifetime Story Photography, and today I will show you the peanut wrap. First, place your wrap on your legs, halfway. Make sure the baby's hands are down his body. Lift the right wrap corner over his body, then place the other side of the wrap over his hand. I tuck the wrap under my bottom and I keep it on place. Then lift one of the corners of the wrap under the baby's bottom towards the opposite shoulder underneath his head. Do the same thing with the other corner, covering the baby bum and that nappy. Make sure his legs are over his tummy. Lift it behind his shoulder, behind his neck. Once you're opposite the shoulder, come with the wrap over his entire bottom, body, and lift it gently towards his head, where you will meet the end of the other wrap. And do the same with the other side of the wrap, covering the body towards his shoulder and gently tuck and tied around his neck. And here it is, you have it, the peanut wrap. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and follow me on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. See you next time.